Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be doing a video in response to a question I was asked on one of my M1 Finance videos. They had asked the question, do I get charged a trading fee when purchasing a stock over on M1 Finance, either on the Roth IRA or the individual account? They had mentioned that they use Vanguard for the Roth IRA. They don't get charged any fees when purchasing a Vanguard ETF, but if they were to buy a single stock such as Apple, Amazon, there would be a commission. I believe Vanguard's commission are about $5. My response was, great question. I've never been charged a fee to buy, sell, rebalance, or keep the account active for both the Roth IRA and individual account for the past 8 months that we've been on the platform. So this is my wife's Roth IRA over on M1 Finance. She's been using it since January 8th, 2018. She's actually made 100+ trades. I just did the count here. We're going to take a look at it. And she's never been charged a fee. She's paid $0 in trading fees or any fees, period. Plus, you can make your very own sort of ETFs, what they use as pies, and you can actually create your own essential ETF. So I made a video covering the Essential 40, which is Kevin O'Leary's or Mr. Wonderful's ETF with 40 essential companies here of the future. But in our example, we had 0 expense ratio and we were still invested in 40 different stocks. So I said that's a great video idea. I'm going to go ahead and make a video here shortly covering all the trades for 2018, or at least some information, so I could show that we've never paid any sort of fees to keep the account active or to really buy any sort of stocks for the account. So here, we're starting off here on M1 Finance. This is the Roth IRA account. A little bit of history of behind the account. We started at near the market highs back in January 8th, 2018. You can see here, from this point, we did gain a little bit here back, 56, 59 was one of the high points on January 28th before the market came down, falling roughly 10%. So we lost a good chunk of the portfolio. You can see here the equity in the portfolio had actually fallen to $5,134. Losing $380, right off the bat. That would scare a lot of people. But so we invested our $5,500 for 2017. That gave us another $5,500 to contribute towards 2018. So we came up with a plan. We wanted to schedule every Monday to deposit money into the account. We knew that M1 Finance gives you $0 trading fees. There's no fees for the account, and you can buy partial shares. So if you make an account such as a Roth IRA, all your dividends, your capital gains would be 100% tax-free. They also allow you to buy partial shares. So you need $500 to start a Roth IRA. With $500, you could buy Apple, Google, Amazon. You could buy, what are some other stocks out there that people are buying? I'm going to go ahead and mention, Walmart, Praxair. You could buy a number of stocks. You could buy 15, 20 stocks with $500. You don't need to buy a complete share. Amazon's over $1,000, near $2,000, but with $500, you could buy a quarter of a share of Amazon and own that company, or just put $200 towards that company. You don't have to buy a complete share. That's why this platform was great, especially for retirement accounts and the way that we're investing here. So came up with a plan, and we scheduled $10 every Monday to go into the platform. So here we can click on our activity here and take a look at how long we've been invested and how many trades that we've made for 2018. So January 8th, 2018, we started off with $5,500 going into the account. That's $5,500 going into 15 trades. If you were to go 15 by 5, that's $75 in commission fees that you would, get hit with if you were on a platform that charged $5 per trade. I'm not sure what all these platforms are charging, but I know a lot of people use Robinhood, but there are individuals out there who are using Fidelity, Vanguard, Merrill Edge, and they're getting charged these commission fees when they're buying ETFs or single stock allocations. So here, I just saved myself $75. I was able to buy 15 individual stocks with my complete $5,500. Now, that was not the end of the trades. So far, for the remainder of 2018, you can see here, there have been 4 trades here in the second week. 4, 4, 2, 4, 4. All the way up here, you can see the number of trades that we've made, even 5 trades here. So what is our plan right now? Well, our plan is this account generates dividends almost every single week here. So you can see here every single week there are some amount of trades that are taking place. That is because every Monday, I'm going to go back to this 5 trades, for example, every every week the account's paid out some sort of dividends from the 15 holdings in this account. Here, for example, we had $2.04 from Praxair, $2.49 from Johnson & Johnson. That gave us $4.53 to invest. Well, we schedule a $10 deposit every single Monday because Monday through Friday, I believe Monday is the best red day to invest. Mondays, you're going to get a lot of drama from Friday, either, through the weekend as well, some political, trade war talk. What goes on the weekend, who really knows? But Mondays, statistically speaking, I feel like it's the best day to invest because the markets are generally very low and suppressed and give you the best bang for your buck. So by adding $10 on a Monday, this automatically triggers the threshold needed to invest. So we take that $10, we add the dividends from the previous week. That gives us $14.53 to begin doing our trades. And here, for example, it purchased $4.47 of Johnson & Johnson, Kimberly-Clark, Altria, AT&T, and Walmart. So $14.50 purchased 5 different companies here. That's 5 trades right there. That's $25 if you were to invest on Vanguard or some other platform that charges you a commission. If your commission's $2, 5 by 2, that's still $10 in commissions. That would take up my complete, the money needed there to purchase these in the first place. So here we can see that we have some cash sitting in the account. That means that we were just paid out a dividend here. Pending activities, it shows a dividend. I can click on it. I just got paid out this week from Caterpillar on August 23rd. Today is the 24th right now. It's Friday. I'm recording in the morning. So Caterpillar paid out $1.94. On Monday, this following week, I'm going to be adding $10 into the account. That's going to be $11.95 because we have $1.95 sitting in cash. So $11.95 is going to get automatically invested in the market. The way that M1 Finance invests, it takes a look at your actual percent to equity, to your target percent to equity. So here we can see Apple, for example, the actual is 8.1 out of the target of 7. So it would not choose Apple to invest in. It would look down the list and say, hey, Cisco's actually 0.5 over. So let's take a look here. Caterpillar is down at 5.6 out of 6, so it's down 0.4. Here's one, Praxair, that's down 0.5. So it would probably look at Praxair and say, hey, you're down 0.5. Let's go ahead and buy into Praxair here a little bit. So it may invest $5, it may invest $10 into Praxair. It'll lower the unit cost on that initial investment. It'll increase my yield on cost. It'll increase my dividend payouts for the year. And it'll give me a great discount buying into this because right now I bought into the stock 2% higher and now I'm buying this at a discount. So if this was my favorite candy bar at the store and they were normally $1, I would only be paying 98 cents instead to buy my favorite candy bar. So I'm able to buy it at a discount and I'm getting paid out more from buying these shares at a cheaper discount than I would if I purchased it at full price. So in this example here, what I did is I copied every single one of my trades here, money invested for the year, and copied it into a spreadsheet right here. Okay, so for the year here, these are the little numbers for the trades here that we had. So starting way down here back on January 8th, 2018, where I made my 15 trades, I copied each one of these trades and put them into a column right here. So for the year, we made 101 trades. Now, if you were getting charged $5 for every single trade, that's 101 trades right there. That's $505 of just straight commission fees to purchase 101 trades. I didn't have to pay anything for that. Here, if I highlight this column, this is going to give me a total of $5,980.06. This includes my trades. This includes the money I've invested. This includes my initial investment. So we're just going to say this is the column total. I've made 101 trades, so I'm taking away that number from 5980. Now I'm taking away my initial investment, and M1 Finance has paid us $113.44 of just straight dividends. So that's why I have this number here. So money invested so far in 2018, we've only put $265.62 of our money into this account. So I mean, initially we invested $5,500, but every week that we've put in $10 or whatever, this may be slightly off here, the total number, but we're just saying as an example. We put in $5,500 initially, and throughout the last 8 months, we've only added $365, and we've saved $505 in trading fees. We haven't been paying any sort of account fee. M1 Finance has been great for that. It's a great platform if you guys haven't tried it out. I do have a referral link in the description below. It doesn't affect your Roth IRA account, but if you were to start an individual account, put in $100, you and I would both get $10. You could get your $110, pull it back out, and then start a Roth IRA, and then put your $110 into your Roth IRA plus 390 additional dollars, because you need $500 to start in Roth IRA or a retirement account, and you only need $100 to start a individual account. So that is everything I wanted to cover in this video. So again, I've paid absolutely nothing to trade 101 times on M1 Finance. I've paid no fees to keep the account active for the past 8 months, and it's been a great platform having no expense ratios, because all of these stocks here in the portfolio are 100%, no expense ratio. So I'm not sure where I can click on my pies. Let's go ahead and click here. Click on my Roth IRA. So here, 0 expense ratio. Current dividend yield is 3.5%. So for every $100 that you're investing, $3.52 is coming back out, and that is great. So that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. But so far, M1 Finance has been a great platform for investing. If you are choosing to invest over on M1 Finance, there's a $100 minimum for individual accounts, $500 minimum for retirement accounts, but you get to start a retirement account, which is 100% tax-free. You can buy partial shares, 0 trade fees, 0 account fees. If you have any other questions, let me know, or check out my playlist here on M1 Finance. I have it here, top right corner, or it's going to be in the card at the very end. So check it out. Let me know what you think. And that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up button below. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section. I'll do a reply in a video. And see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.